welcome to the channel. It's Homesteading with Sadie. So I have the top of this ottoman. It's fabric. It was my daughter's in college. It has a little footstool, there's a chair, anyhow, it's a whole thing. But this is the color, excuse me, this color blue is the same color we're using in the bus for the furniture. And I was thinking if I could get this glue, see there's glue on there where she obviously did a project and got glue on it. I'm going to see if I can get the glue off of it. And if I can, we'll see if we won't use this in the bus. So I'm going to try acetone first and with a Q-tip. And I got a little tiny screwdriver to scrape it. And let's just see if it's going to work or not.
I'm spending all my time with you, driving through the states, don't know what awaits, it don't matter.
Okay, so I got myself a little bowl of soapy water. The water seems to help a little bit to get it clean, and also to wipe the acetone off, because I'm not sure if the acetone is hurting my material or not. All right, so I'm just going to dip it a little bit, and then I'm going to have to put this someplace where it won't spill. So I'm just set it all the way. A little dippy, and then where I've already got it with the acetone, just going to wipe it clean a little bit. I have no idea what kind of glue this is. I think it's more like a super glue. I don't think it's hot glue gun glue, because hot glue gun glue would come off a lot easier than this. So anyway, I'm just going to continue working on this. It's already looking better, but I'm not sure if it's wet because it's wet or not. Anyway, let's keep going. I just washed it a little bit, and I'm gonna let it dry and see. I can still see spots, so this might be as good as I'm gonna get it, but I'm not sure. I still think I could probably work on a few spots, but I'm gonna let it dry a little bit because I just washed it with that soapy rag. Okay, all right, so I let it sit for a while, and I worked at it a little bit more, but you can see there's some spots there I just can't get up. It's not really glue anymore. It might be, but it's more of a discoloration. So anyway, to conclude, I do believe that if you have glue on your upholstery, this acetone will work for you. I had a lot of spots, and a lot of them came off, but a few of them didn't. I do have a spot cleaner that when I get ready to do the bus chair, you know, the one we bought from the junkyard, I've got to clean that still. I'm going to run it on this while I have it, you know, the spot cleaner working, and see if I can get these spots. But otherwise, yeah, I got most of the glue up. So yeah, if you need to get glue off of your furniture, I suggest the acetone with a Q-tip and some water. So anyway, I'm going to conclude this video. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps you out. And remember, we do a bus build video every Sunday, and on Wednesdays we do this kind of stuff. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.